What's up guys, Bingo here, and I got a quick unboxing here for Ugreen 10,000 milliamp magnetic wireless power bank. So this output's supposed to be 20 watts, which I think this is the highest wireless power bank that I've seen on Amazon. And let's see how it works. Just a quick unboxing here. So this would let's read some of the fine prints here. Wired fast charging, magnetic wireless charging, built-in kickstand. You got 10,000 milliamp polymer lithium ion battery. You got input of it's right there, 1.67 amperes stuff. Oh, so wireless charging output is only 15 watts. I think the 20 watts is for the wired. Yeah, 15 watts, and I've seen the other wireless power banks to be only 7.5. I don't think there's anything faster than 15 watts right now. But this is Ugreen. This is like I've known them for making cords and cables. Cables would be the better word. But apparently they're making power banks now, and I think they started making like headphones and stuff. So yeah, this is the packaging itself. You got a nice box here. Paper just fall out. I think that's empty. Let's start with some paperworks. Magnetic wireless power bank. They did have the one with like an LCD screen with like emojis and stuff, but I think that only outputs like 7.5, so I opted for this one. And there's also like 5,000 milliamp, which I think is smaller in size. So we got two USB-Cs. It's quite short. And we got a nice pouch. I don't know what material that is. And the power bank itself looks nice. Kickstand, so it can stand up like that or like this, I think. Yeah, I can do like that. Okay, let's give this a go, because I'm actually just 14%, and I have my, okay, let's take off the case first. I got a Pixel 9 Pro, small one. This doesn't have a built-in MagSafe, so this is definitely not gonna stick. Oh, there's a bit of like a magnet in there. Wow, I didn't realize that. There's a bit of a magnet in there, but it's not. Oh, there is, but it's not as strong as the iPhones, I reckon. But it does stick. So, and is it charging? I think it's not. Where's my, oh, my always on display is off because It's run out of juice. Okay, so let's start with this one. It does have two bars out of 5. So there's a small button here. See that? You got a USB-A, USB-C, and that's it. It is charging with the power cord. Let's try if I just lay my phone flat there. Should work. Takes its time. It is not charging. That's interesting. Oh, it is charging. So it says fully charged by focusing. Charging. That's pretty, went up to 14%. Oh, it's kind of sketchy. So you kind of have to angle it the right way, I guess, because I reckon this is designed more for like an iPhone, but there is a bit of a magnet in it, and yeah, it is charging. It just says charging. It doesn't say how fast it does. So if I lift this up, yeah, it's not a strong magnet in there, but I do have a magnet case. This is like a JetTech one, like a cheap one. So, but it has stronger magnet. Try that. There we go. Fully charged by 6:45. That's like 2 hours. It's 3:51. It's like, yeah, it's like almost 3 hours. But it is charging, which is a good sign. It stands up. You can watch like that. The charging is not like, it's not constant. I think the contact is not really good, but I reckon if you can like just keep it like that, you will keep the charging on. The charging is on, just don't move around too much. I think this is more of a phone or case issue, but yeah, I think it's good enough. I mean, I don't use my phone when it's charging. I just don't like it, even when it's plugged in. So I can just leave this in my bag. This one is much more secured. And yeah, and I'm amazed that it's actually standing up good. So I can just keep it there, watch something, and you can also watch in like landscape mode. So yeah, it's a good power bank, and that's it. If you guys are interested, give it a go. It's Ugreen 10,000 milliamp magnetic wireless power bank. The 20 watts is misleading. It's only 15. 20 watts is for, I think it's for wired. It's for the wired output, because it says wireless. It's only 15. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.